Hey guys, welcome back to the Get It Brewed channel. So today we're going to look at the Ferminator. Now if you're interested in upscaling your quality of your homebrew, whether that be beer, wine or cider, this is an excellent tool for doing that, because two of the things you'll hear me talking about all the time in relation to better fermentation and better brewing is one, cleanliness, so making sure everything's sterile, and two, precise fermentation control. This device allows you to precisely monitor your fermentation temperature. It's basically a fermentation chamber which regulates temperature, hot or cold, throughout the brewing process, and it's set digitally. We did a video on this before, but there's been some changes for the better, and we just want to highlight them to you very quickly today. So let's get a look inside the box. The actual heating and cooling works by Peltier element. It's digitally controlled. That aspect of it hasn't changed at all. The important change is the material. This has been a huge success for us. We've been selling large numbers of these and the feedback on them has been exceptionally good. The one slight negative feedback was that the density of the material meant that it was slightly, delicate, in the sense that it could mark or dent or scratch easily. Now the density of this material has been changed. You can see visually that it's more compact. You can see visually that it's a slightly lighter color. The previous Ferminator, and as you can see, the makeup of it, this is still a good product, but it is slightly spaced out in terms of density, whereas this is a much more dense product. It feels heavier as well, so slightly heavier, and it also visually looks just a slightly different color, but not a lot has changed in relation to the product. It's just the materials used to make the product. Like fermentation chamber, you can see, so depending on what way you class, being the front or the back, this device will fit into both the front and the back. And you can see here the fans built in. There's the little thermometer probe here. These little levers pop out to hold it snugly in place in here, and then the digital display that allows you to precisely input the temperature from 0 degrees right up to 50 degrees. UK plug and power pack. So you may be asking, why do I need a Ferminator? So a fermentation chamber allows you to precisely control your fermentation temperature. Yeast likes a precise, stable fermentation temperature. It produces better beer, wine and cider, and I genuinely mean you would notice a huge difference in the quality of your homebrew if you were able to precisely ferment at temperatures suitable to that beer style. So if you want to make a genuine lager, you want to ferment at 10 degrees, this can do that. If you want to crash cool all your beers to 0 degrees to drop out all the hop residue and all the trub, this device can do that. So look, depending on what fermentation vessel you use at home, whether that would be a 30-litre all-rounder, a Get It Brewed 33-litre fermentation bin, or you're using one of the larger Fermzillas, or you've got a stainless steel uni-tank, this system is modular, so you can add different expansion joints. You can put a stainless steel additional plate in the base of it so that it protects the base of the actual chamber. You can build it up to suit multiple sizes. We have an exciting addition coming along called Plug and Pour, which is a new product that's arriving real soon, and it's going to be able to turn it into a kegerator as well. So great product, hugely positive feedback on it to date, and we're suggesting that if anyone wants to improve the qualities of their brews at home, be that a basic beer kit brewer or be that a wine kit brewer or an all grain brewer, this will enhance the quality of your brewing at home. So thanks so much for watching, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We really appreciate a like and subscribe. Hit the little bell so you know when we release new content, and until next time, happy brewing.